Hi, my name is Troy Hankins and I work here at Indicate Technologies. Today we're going to be going over how to perform an XY offset calibration on your Ultimaker 3D printer. Now in order to do this, all you need is the XY calibration sheet that was sent with your printer in the accessories box. Or if you don't have the sheet, you can download it from Ultimaker's website with the links down in the description. We hope you enjoy, and let's get right into this.
Here's how to calibrate your XY offset on the Ultimaker printer line. First, you want to head over to the touchscreen. Under Preferences, select Maintenance and Print Head. Then you'll hit Calibrate your XY offset and go ahead and select your materials for Extruder 1 and Extruder 2. Once you've hit Start, the printer will start to print a grid pattern on the plate. Now you'll need the calibration XY sheet found in the accessory box sent with your printer. You can also download it from Ultimaker's website. The link is down below. Now that the grid pattern's done printing, go ahead and align the grid pattern over top of the two boxes on the XY calibration sheet. Once you have them aligned in the boxes, you'll want to find the two lines on that grid pattern for both the X and Y that are best aligned, and you'll want to note down the adjacent number to them. That's going to be your X and Y offsets. Once you have the values of your offset, go ahead and enter them on your touchscreen for the Ultimaker. Now that you have everything input, go ahead and clean off your build plate and place it back on your printer, and you're ready to start printing. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and let us know in the comments what other tutorials you would like to see. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.